live now?
I live in Kurudu in a one room, no toilets, no bathroom, that is paid for 4,000 naira.
I would like to live in a 3-bedroom or a duplex with my family.
As the saying goes, if wishes were horses, everybody will ride. The exorbitant cost of rents and land makes it almost impossible for many low-income earners to realize their dreams of having decent accommodation. Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Ms. Ama Pepo, however, says a framework for achieving transformation in the housing sector is being fine-tuned.
We are working with state governments, appealing to them to give us land and help us to do the infrastructure, because we've gone to countries where they do housing projects, and before they turn the sod in the ground, before they put the first shovel, they would have put lights, they would have put water, they would have put telephones. But we don't have telephone. At least if we have light and water, we can start building. So when you put all this together, I believe that we have started the housing revolution.
Ms. Pepo said the first meeting of the National Council on Lands, Housing and Urban Development will address the issues of access and housing needs of low-income earners and those in the informal sector. Participants at the meeting said for the objectives to be realized, government will have to make access to funds a priority.
Financing and mortgage contents are incorporated. The incentives that exist for the private sector, synergies with the public sector, provided for.
The federal government need to put a framework on ground that can guarantee the investors in getting back the funds they bring in.
Statistics show that low-income earners continue to suffer a shortage of accommodation in Nigeria, from about 8 million in 1990 to over 14 million in 2000 and 39 million by the year 2020. The meeting of the National Council on Lands, Housing and Urban Development is expected to deliberate on the revised draft national policies on housing and urban development and come out with decisions that will meet the housing needs of majority of Nigerians. In Abuja, Claire Adelabu Abdulrazak, NTA News 24.